Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and we're in San Antonio at the annual meeting of the Society of Thoracic Surgeons. I am thrilled to be joined by Dr. Nicholas Lopez, who is a leading cardiac surgeon at Baptist Health Paducah in Paducah, Kentucky. Dr. Lopez, it is great to see you, and thanks for being with me today.
Thank you for having me today.
Yeah, so Dr. Lopez, we are seeing a lot of new information come out. Great presentations at this meeting, and we're also getting patient questions from the community. This question came in from Laura, and she asks, I'll be having my TAVR, Transcatheter Aortic Valve Replacement, in a couple weeks. I live alone. Will I need to have someone come to my house to stay with me while I recuperate? Or do most TAVR patients do okay coming home alone?
That's a great question. Obviously, with the advent of TAVR, it's certainly a less invasive approach, and the recovery is much, much quicker. And so it becomes tempting to think that it's perfectly safe to go home. And while there's no sternotomy, which is a division of the breastbone, there's still large access to the vessels of the groin. And those vessels obviously need to have a large hole made so the catheter can go in and deliver a valve. And then we have to close that large hole afterwards. In general, it's not a bad idea to have about a week's time of taking it easy, no major strenuous activity. We still encourage walking. That being said, it's not a bad idea, at least the first 2-3 days, to have somebody with you in case there's a problem and they can quickly help you out.
Great. Well, Laura, I hope that helped you. I know that helped me. And Dr. Lopez, on behalf of all the patients at HeartValveSurgery.com, patients all over the world, thanks so much for everything you and your team are doing at Baptist Health Paducah in Paducah, Kentucky. Thanks for being with me today.
Thank you very much.
Hi everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.